Indeed. Wala ba magpa-cheer dyan sa mga supporters? Yes. Eto na. I'd just like to remind everyone that whenever a candidate is answering her question, may you guys refrain from making any unnecessary noise that might distract our candidates. Sa Bisaya pa. Aside from having 2 cats and a dog, you help stray cats and dogs. Why is this important to you? Again, aside from having 2 cats and a dog, you actively help stray cats and dogs. Why is this important to you?
As an advocate of animal welfare and animal rights, it is very important to me to help the stray dogs, especially the neglected ones, because they serve as our friend, our family, our guardian, and also they serve as a lock in our home. So that's why, and also they balance the ecological biodiversity in our world. So that's why we have to love them, to treasure them, because aside from our friends, dogs are the most loyal thing you can have in your life. And that would be all. Thank you.
To you, congratulations for making it to our top 12.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anything you would like to say to your supporters over there?
Yes, of course. I would like to thank my city of 2nd Street for that support. Without you guys, I would not be able to stand here in front of you tonight.
So here's the question. As a city scholar, how will you use your future academic achievements to contribute to your community? Again, as a city scholar, how will you use your future academic achievements to contribute to your community?
As a city scholar and a business finance student, I am committed to use this academic achievement of mine to our community, because I believe that my education equipped me into the strategic, analytical, and leadership skills, and I want to impart this to our youth, because I believe that I would love to support our local businesses, especially the coffee shops. I would love to attract new investments, and I would love to create job opportunities for our Nazareans. By that, with having a vibrant local economy, I believe that we can improve the quality life of our Nazareans. That would be all. Thank you and good evening.
Number 3, among all the I've mentioned, aduna bitay 56 coffee shops that is sa Barangay Nazareth, and which also we are helping our local entrepreneurs here sa Barangay Nazareth. Sa 56 ka mga coffee shops, unsa mong pinaka-favorite?
As a medyo lover sa coffee, akong favorite is ang Hingape po.
Hingape?
Yes.
Alright.
Located sa Tomasapa First.
Oh, Tomasapa First.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, here's my question for you, candidate number 3. What life lesson has the sport of gymnastics taught you that you can use in everyday life? Oh, you're a gymnast. What life lesson has the sport of gymnastics taught you that you can use in everyday life?
Well, the life lesson that I learned as a gymnast is to be resilient, disciplined, and perseverant as always. Because of these qualities, I am able to improve my gymnastic skills. And I do believe that with these qualities, I am able to be a successful in the future. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Down to our next candidate, we have candidate number 5. Please use the mic.
Hello, good evening, Nazareth!
Oh, grabe. Prolong. Again, once again, could you please repeat that? How did you greet the Nazareth Nuns?
Maayong gabi, Nazareth!
Now, who's with you tonight? Kinsay ka ubani mo?
My family, my support system,
Oh,
my
I heard.
friends, and my classmates.
Do you have something to say na baka gusto iyon sa ilahan?
And salamat kayo sa tanan nagsuporta sa ako, especially sa ako sityo na sa 12-22nd.
Yay! Guys, more than they are representing different sitios, let's never forget we are one Nazareth. Yes. So, candidate number 5, are you ready for your question?
Ready.
Your question. You love to watch movies during your spare time. Can you describe a movie that has had a lasting impact on you? Again, you love to watch movies during your spare time. Can you describe a movie that has had a lasting impact on you?
Thank you for that question. My favorite movie is Rewind. It's starring Dingdong Dantes and Marian Rivera. As I watched that movie several times, the impact of that movie on me is to always cherish what is present. What is always the impact of that story is to always cherish what is present, and that is right now. What is present right now? I'm sorry. And trust God, no matter what happens, trust God's plans. Embrace your present because there is no rewind in real life. Thank you.
I couldn't agree more. There is no rewind in a real life. And that seemed to be one of my favorite movies by far. Thank you very much. Yes. Sabi ko, giuli na ni candidate number 5 ang mic. How does it feel to be part of our top 12?
It is very surprising.
Are you a first timer?
Yes.
Oh, and what's the feeling? How's the experience?
I've learned a lot from the girls, especially the grounding and the house.
Alright. Here's your question. You believe faith without action is dead. Can you describe a time when you used your faith to do something that benefited others? Again, you believe faith without action is dead. Can you describe a time when you used your faith to do something that benefited others?
Yes, I do believe that faith without action is dead. There was a time na nahimo ko facilitator sa youth camp sa akong organization, and there was a camper na kanang she doesn't believe in herself. So I told her that if ikaw maning kamot, magbunga man na, ayaw ka wala ka. Sa 3 days na mo nga camping, I saw the improvements na kanang from introvert girl na imo siya extrovert. And I believe that if you put faith sa imuhang papaningkamot, mulang mo kita. Tonight, thank you.
Number 13, you seem to have a dynamic supporters over there na baka gusto i-move sa lahat.
To my sitio, YGO, thank you for your support and awareness. Time to help me in my journey. Thank you so much.
Here's your question. You're doing it right. You actively participate in volunteer work at school. How do you think will this help you give back to the community? Again, you actively participate in volunteer work at school. How do you think will this help you give back to the community?
With my experience in school organization and community extension, promoting health and safety, I can give back to my community by initiating educational programs and seminars. I can collaborate with the local health professionals and authorities, and I can initiate seminars on the topics like basic life support, proper hygiene, and disaster preparedness. By this, it can empower the community to be knowledgeable and to have the skills for their well-being and health. And it can contribute for the safety and healthy of Barangay Nazareth. Thank you.
Candidate number 14. How's the feeling? Nagahulat ka backstage for your turn.
Well, I am really nervous because I didn't really expect to be one of the top 12 tonight.
Kabalong mo ang imong pamilya ang nahimong one of your greatest foundations sa pag-join aning Miss Nazareth. Na baka gusto iyon sa imong pamilya karong gabi una?
What I'd like to say to my family is that thank you for always supporting me and coming here tonight to support me in my journey for Miss Nazareth 2024. Know that I appreciate you.
Alright, so here's your question. How do you face your fear of failure during challenging times? Again, how do you face your fear of failure during challenging times?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Joining this pageant is already a challenge for me because I am afraid to disappoint the people who believed in me. However,